I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Volkswagen Golf. First, gather your jumper cables and a vehicle with a working battery. Park the working vehicle close to your Golf, ensuring they are not touching. Turn off both vehicles and engage the parking brakes. For safety, always wear protective eyewear and gloves. This preparation prevents electrical shorts and ensures a smooth process. Now, let's connect the cables correctly. Take one red clamp and attach it firmly to the positive terminal of your Golf's dead battery. Next, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Then, attach one black clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. This sequence is crucial for safety and proper current flow. For the final connection, attach the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Volkswagen Golf, away from the battery. This provides a good ground. Now, start the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes to charge your Golf's battery. After this brief charge, try starting your Volkswagen Golf. It should now turn over. Once your Golf starts, let it run for at least 15 minutes to recharge the battery. Disconnect the cables in the reverse order of connection. First, the black clamp from your Golf's metal surface, then the black clamp from the donor vehicle. Next, remove the red clamp from the donor vehicle, and finally, the red clamp from your Golf's battery. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.